So with everything I heard, I would say that Tumblr It Up is not that effective. It would be, it is not effective as it should be. It would be effective if most percentage of the students are doing or or are 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 following the Tumblr It Up. Most students only bring their, like for example, in the fourth year students, um no, wait. Um Tumblr It Up is not that effective for for its purpose to lessen the garbage is not really accomplished or bestowed or seen by the students. Most students in the fourth year said that they only bring their tumblers for grades or for their CAT or for their score. They only bring their tumblers for they don't want to have a minus in their subject CAT. Bringing tumbler does help in lessening the garbage accumulated by the school. However, if it's only for grades or score, it is not accomplished because not all of them are doing it. Only fourth year students have the reasons like that. And if it's only for grade, then the essence of Tumblr It Up is not there at all. Regarding with students who bring their tumblers in the lower levels, they bring their tumblers because it's their personal decision. Not not any been they bring their tumblers for their they bring their tumblers for their own sake with their personal desire. They don't bring their tumblers for the Tumblr It Up or to lessen the garbage. It may be part of that, but it doesn't really connect with the Tumblr It Up. Um, Others don't even know what Tumblr It Up means. You know, for and also to encourage or to goad students to bring their tumblers and discourage them to use cups, it is said in the proposal that 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 students who buy drinks with cups will be charged of 2 pesos. However, this is not it however it is not um it is not even what's the term? It's not even it's not even However, with that, it's not followed. It's not followed by the vendors of the canteen. When the vendors are asked of what is Tumblr It Up, they don't even know. And they have boxes provided by Earth Savers, but one of them don't remember the purpose of it. So what's the use of Tumblr It Up? What's the use if only some comply with the protocol, if only some follow the protocol, if only some is responsible enough to bring their tumblers, if only some if only some is responsible enough to bring her tumbler, and many don't care. That's it. Tumblr It Up is not effective. Tumblr It Up is not Tumblr It Up. I can say that Tumblr It Up is not Tumblr It Up. Tumblr It Up. So with everything that I found out, that I found out, students don't know about Tumblr It Up. What really it is, and it won't help to lessen the garbage of the school if that's the case. It will not, the best intentions of Tumblr It Up, the best intentions of it will is just flowing the best intentions serve the best intentions made by Tumblr It Up is just floating in the air and no one is seeing it. And so with all of that, Tumblr It Up as of now is just as heavy as nothing. So with that, Tumblr It Up is not helping.